Hi. So the reason we all are here, and it's not anything new that I'm going to say that our government right now doesn't know, but we really want, it's not about enforcing immigration laws, it's about dignity. It's about like not treating everybody the same, but it's about dignity and respect. We can enforce the rules, but we have to have a way of doing it. People are not being respected, and how things has been done, it's just not right. And this is not how we founded America. This is not how we want, we are God's country and we should be respectful to everyone's right. And if we're talking about enforcing immigration laws, what about the white South Africans? What about them? So if we're enforcing immigration laws, it needs to be all across, not just for a single out one or two or three immigrant communities. It needs to be enforcing all across. Thank you.